In this video, let me show you how to fix the Facebook cannot report a post. So if you come across a post that you're trying to report to Facebook and you're having issues with it, let me show you the way on how you can fix this issue. Now the first thing that you can straight away try out is to trigger the rage shake. So what I simply mean by that is whenever you come across a post that you're trying to repost, you can quickly shake your phone and you'll be able to see a pop-up menu that lets you report a post. So as you can see, once you shake your phone, you'll be able to see a similar option being displayed where the report problem option or the button should be available. Now if this method is not working out for you either, what you can try out is try to uninstall Facebook from your device and then again re-download it. If none of these solutions are working out for you, lastly what you can try out is use a desktop browser. So use your laptop or your desktop, head over to facebook.com and head over to the same post that you're trying to report. So these are the few steps that you can try out in order to fix the Facebook cannot report a post. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.